Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your repository from private to public. Now to do that, simply click your account on the upper right hand side and click on settings. Now under the settings, scroll down on the left hand side and you'll find repositories. You click on that. Now to do this, simply click on your name of the repository and this is going to take you over to your repository details. So you can click on the settings of the repository, and then on this page here where you have your repository, this is your general information about your repository. So you can scroll down and you will find a repository visibility. So you want to look for repository visibility. And as you can see right here, it says change repository visibility. This repository is currently private and you just want to go ahead and click on change visibility, change that to public. Then from here, just say, I want to make this repository public. Click on that, then click on that again. And as you can see, the repository has now changed to public. So you can see, make this public. And that's it. Now the repository, guys, is now a public repository. And as you can see, right, when I scroll down under the Pages section, you can see this repository is currently public. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.